Hi, this is Joyce Farrell. Let's look at constructors and the role they play in inheritance. Suppose you work for a company that manufactures sunglasses, and so you decide to create a sunglasses class. Assume that two of the properties that sunglasses have are a frame color and a lens color. Also assume you have a constructor that takes no parameters, but that sets the frame color to black and sets the lens color to brown by default. Now assume you create a child class of sunglasses called prescription sunglasses. It inherits from sunglasses. That means that every prescription sunglasses object will have a frame color, a lens color, and assume it also has a diopter. A diopter is simply a number that represents one of the values as to how strong a prescription is in a pair of prescription glasses. Assume the constructor for this child class is also parameterless, but that it sets the diopter to 0. When you declare an object of type prescription sunglasses, you call the prescription sunglasses constructor. It in turn calls the sunglasses constructor, which executes first. So when you declare a pair of prescription sunglasses, you get black frames, brown lenses, and a diopter of 0.0. The black frames come from the parent constructor, the brown lenses also come from the parent constructor, and the 0.0 diopter value comes from the child constructor. Assume you have a different sunglasses class that has a non-default constructor. This one requires a string representing the color that is then sent to frame color, and another string for lens, which is then sent to lens color. Now when you create a child class, because the child class constructor is going to call the parent class constructor, you have to have two arguments to send to the parent class constructor. In this case, we're sending two strings, red and yellow. Red will go to the parent class constructor and become color, and yellow will also go to the parent class constructor and become lens. Diopter will still be set in the child class constructor. So now when you declare a pair of prescription sunglasses, you get a red frame, a yellow lens, and a diopter of 0.0. Here's a different way the prescription sunglasses class might require three parameters of its own: color, lens, and diopter. Two of these could then be passed to the base class constructor, color and lens. Color could go to the base class color parameter and lens to the base class lens parameter. Then the diopter could be set in its own constructor. So when you declare a pair of prescription sunglasses and use the arguments purple, pink, and 3.0, you get a pair of sunglasses with purple frames, pink lenses, and a 3.0 diopter. Thanks for watching.